beneath the surface of every deeply compassionate person lies a truth that very few people ever talk about. It is a truth born not from comfort, not from happiness, and certainly not from easy victories. It is born from disappointment, from betrayal, from silent battles that leave no visible scars. Most people believe that pain weakens an empath. They believe that after enough heartbreak, enough rejection, and enough emotional exhaustion, an empath simply becomes another wounded person trying to survive. And for some, that may seem true. But there is another outcome that receives far less attention. There is a transformation that only occurs when an empath passes through darkness and somehow finds a way to keep moving forward. What emerges from that experience is often misunderstood. To outsiders, it may look like distance. It may look like coldness. It may even look like indifference. Yet beneath that surface, a remarkable shift has taken place. The empath who once trusted everyone begins to see what others miss. The empath who once gave endlessly begins to understand the value of limits. The empath who once ignored warning signs begins to recognize them almost instantly. And the most fascinating part is that this change does not happen because they stopped caring. It happens because life forced them to learn lessons that kindness alone could never teach. There is a little-known reality about emotional suffering that psychology has explored for years. Some people are crushed by difficult experiences. Others develop a deeper awareness because of them. They begin to recognize patterns in human behavior. They become more observant, more intuitive, more emotionally intelligent. In many cases, the people who have suffered the most become the ones who understand others most clearly, not because they read a book, not because someone taught them, but because pain became their teacher. Every betrayal revealed a lesson. Every disappointment uncovered a truth. Every broken expectation removed another illusion. What many people fail to realize is that darkness often exposes things that comfort keeps hidden. It reveals who is genuine and who is pretending. It reveals which relationships are built on mutual respect and which ones survive only because one person keeps sacrificing themselves. It reveals the difference between helping others and losing yourself in the process. The journey we are about to explore is not about becoming bitter. It is not about revenge. It is not about building walls so high that nobody can ever get close again. In fact, the rare power we will discuss is far more surprising than that. Because the strongest empaths do not emerge from darkness with less compassion. They emerge with greater clarity. They begin to understand that empathy without boundaries can become self-destruction. They learn that forgiveness does not always require reconnection. They discover that protecting their peace is not selfish, it is necessary. And perhaps most importantly, they stop measuring their worth by how much they can give to people who continuously take. As this video unfolds, we will uncover the hidden stages that many broken empaths experience but rarely speak about. We will explore why betrayal affects them differently than it affects most people. We will examine the emotional collapse that often occurs before their awakening begins. We will reveal the psychological shifts that transform pain into wisdom, and we will uncover the rare power that appears only after an empath survives experiences that once seemed impossible to overcome. Along the way, you may recognize patterns that exist in your own life or in the lives of people around you. Some of these insights are rarely discussed because they challenge popular ideas about empathy, kindness, and emotional strength. Yet they often explain why certain people become wiser, stronger, and more self-aware after enduring some of the darkest periods of their lives. Stay with us until the end because the final lesson may completely change the way you think about emotional strength. Many people spend years believing that the goal is to avoid pain at all costs. But what if some forms of pain reveal abilities that comfort never can? What if the experiences that nearly broke someone are the very experiences that awaken their greatest strength? And what if the power that emerges afterward has nothing to do with control, dominance, or emotional toughness, but everything to do with seeing the world with a clarity that few people ever achieve? The answer may be far different than most expect. If deep psychology, human behavior, emotional intelligence, and the hidden truths of the empath journey fascinate you, then you are in the right place. This channel is dedicated to exploring the deeper side of human nature, uncovering the lessons hidden beneath everyday experiences, and helping you understand the forces that shape who we become. So take a moment to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community. And now let's explore the rare power that only a broken empath awakens after surviving the darkness. Long before the darkness arrives, the empath moves through life with a quiet belief that many people never fully understand. They believe that if they can understand someone deeply enough, they can avoid conflict, prevent misunderstandings, and build genuine connections. Their natural instinct is not suspicion, it is trust. Not because they are naive, but because they see the world through the lens of possibility. They notice the good qualities in people long before they notice the warning signs. They focus on potential instead of patterns. They pay attention to a person's struggles, fears, and hidden pain. While others may judge quickly, the empath often searches for reasons. Reasons behind behavior, reasons behind mistakes, reasons behind emotional reactions. This ability allows them to connect with people on a level that feels rare and meaningful. It helps them create strong bonds. It helps them offer comfort when others need support. It helps them become the person many people turn to during difficult times. At first, this quality seems like a gift. Friends appreciate their understanding. Family members depend on their patience. Strangers feel safe opening up around them. The empath develops a reputation for being kind, compassionate, and emotionally available. People often feel heard in their presence. They feel understood, they feel accepted. And because of this, the empath begins to believe that honesty naturally creates connection. They believe that genuine care inspires genuine care in return. They believe that if they treat people with respect, respect will eventually find its way back to them. This belief shapes many of their decisions. It influences who they trust. It influences how much they give. It influences how long they stay in relationships that others might leave much sooner. When conflicts arise, the empath often chooses understanding over confrontation. When someone disappoints them, they look for explanations instead of immediately creating distance. When mistakes happen, they offer second chances, sometimes third chances, sometimes even more. The reason is simple. The empath sees human beings as complicated. They understand that everyone struggles, everyone fails, everyone carries unseen burdens. Because they know this, they often extend grace where others would draw boundaries. They forgive things that many people would not forgive. They tolerate behaviors that others would not tolerate. They convince themselves that patience will eventually solve problems that are actually growing larger beneath the surface. Many empaths become experts at understanding other people's emotions while slowly losing sight of their own. They absorb the emotional atmosphere around them without even realizing it. A friend's sadness affects them. A partner's stress affects them. A family member's frustration affects them. They become emotional translators, constantly trying to understand what others feel, why they feel it, and how to make things better. Over time, this creates an invisible burden, because while they are busy carrying the emotions of everyone around them, very few people stop to ask who is carrying theirs. Yet before the darkness, they rarely notice this imbalance. Their focus remains on harmony. They want peace, they want connection, they want relationships to work. They believe that enough understanding can fix almost anything. Then life introduces a lesson they never expected, because not everyone values empathy. Not everyone respects kindness. And not everyone deserves unlimited access to a compassionate heart. The first cracks often appear quietly. A promise is broken, a truth is hidden, an effort goes unappreciated, a sacrifice goes unnoticed. At first, the empath dismisses these moments. They tell themselves everyone makes mistakes, everyone has bad days, everyone deserves understanding. But eventually the pattern becomes impossible to ignore. The same people they support rarely support them. The same people they forgive continue repeating the same behavior. The same people who ask for understanding offer very little in return. And still the empath stays, not because they enjoy suffering, not because they lack intelligence, but because hope is one of their strongest qualities. Hope tells them things can improve. Hope tells them people can change. Hope tells them tomorrow will be different. Unfortunately, hope can sometimes keep a person standing in a storm long after they should have sought shelter. This is where the moment of change begins. Not with a dramatic event, not with a single betrayal, but with a growing realization that something feels wrong. The empath starts noticing an uncomfortable truth. They are giving more than they receive. They are investing more than others invest in them. They are carrying relationships that would collapse if they stopped trying so hard. This realization creates confusion because it challenges everything they believed about connection. It challenges their assumptions about trust. It challenges their understanding of loyalty. Then comes the betrayal. Sometimes it arrives through deception, sometimes through manipulation, sometimes through emotional neglect, sometimes through abandonment, and sometimes through the painful discovery that someone they deeply trusted never valued them the way they believed. The specific details vary from person to person, but the emotional impact is often similar. A deep sense of shock, a deep sense of disappointment, a deep sense of grief, not only for what happened, but for what they believed existed. Many people assume betrayal hurts because of the event itself. But for empaths, the deepest wound often comes from somewhere else. It comes from realizing that their trust was placed in the wrong hands. It comes from realizing that the person they defended, protected, supported, or sacrificed for was capable of causing the very pain they worked so hard to prevent. That realization cuts deeper than most people understand, because empaths do not invest lightly. When they care deeply. When they trust fully. When they love, they often give parts of themselves that cannot easily be replaced. And when that trust is broken, it feels as though an entire view of reality suddenly shifts. Questions begin to appear. How did I miss the signs? Why did I ignore my instincts? Why did I stay so long? Why did I keep believing things would change? These questions repeat endlessly. The empath searches their memories. They replay conversations. They revisit old situations. They analyze details they once overlooked. What once seemed normal now appears different. What once seemed harmless now looks obvious. The red flags become visible only after the damage has already occurred. This is one of the most painful stages of the journey, because the empath is not only grieving the relationship, they are grieving the version of themselves that believed their understanding could protect them from harm. And as that belief begins to crumble, a transformation quietly begins beneath the surface. Most people never notice it. Many mistake it for weakness. Others mistake it for bitterness. But neither explanation captures what is actually happening. A deeper process has started. A process that will force the empath to confront truths they spent years avoiding. A process that will eventually change how they see themselves, how they see others, and how they define compassion itself. So know the rare power of a broken empath is not revenge. It is not emotional detachment. It is not becoming cold. It is not building walls so high that nobody can ever get close again. The rare power of a broken empath is learning how to remain compassionate without abandoning yourself. It is learning how to care without carrying burdens that were never yours to carry. It is learning how to love without losing your identity. And it is learning that protecting your peace is not selfish. It is necessary. Because the truth is, the darkness did not destroy them. The betrayal did not destroy them. The disappointment did not destroy them. The heartbreak did not destroy them. Those experiences revealed something that comfort never could. They revealed strength. They revealed wisdom. They revealed self-respect. And most importantly, they revealed the value they always had but could not fully see. A healed empath still feels deeply. They still care. They still understand people in ways that many never will. But now they understand something else. Not everyone deserves unlimited access to their energy. Not everyone deserves endless chances. And not every relationship is worth sacrificing yourself to save. That is not bitterness. That is growth. That is what happens when kindness finally learns discernment. Sometimes the strongest version of an empath is not the one who has never been broken, but the one who survived being broken and finally discovered their own worth. The one who walked through the darkness and came back with clearer eyes. The one who stopped chasing acceptance and started choosing self-respect. The one who learned that their greatest strength was never their ability to save others, but their ability to save themselves. If this message resonated with you, let us know in the comments. Which part of this journey felt most familiar to your own experience? And if you enjoy exploring deep psychology, human behavior, emotional intelligence, and the hidden truths behind the empath experience, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, take a moment to like this video and share it with someone who may need this message today. Because sometimes a single insight can change the way a person sees their entire life. And sometimes understanding others is the first step toward finally understanding yourself.